Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change Siri voice on Apple Watch SE 3. First you have to open the app library by pressing the digital crown, then scroll to settings and open them. In settings find Siri and tap on it to open the Siri menu. And now scroll down until you find language and voice. Now each language has different voice options, so select language that you prefer, then go to Siri voice, and as you can see there are different variations or accents that you can select and listen to. And below you can also change the voice of your Siri by selecting one of the 4, in my case, available options. And once you leave this menu, the changes will be applied and your Siri voice will be changed once it's downloaded and installed on your watch. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.